Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Padrilla. Let's get into your reading for the month of June 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Libra. So starting with the golden dawn spread. You can find the timestamps below in the description box. So these three cards says about your situation. In the right hand side top corner, this will tell you what is your current path, and this will tell you what is your alternate path. In the bottom left corner, this will tell you the psychological basis, and the right side bottom corner, this will tell you what is your karma. So this is a cycle that I'll be repeating. Okay, now the golden dawn spread is done. Now we can start facing up the cards and see what we have. So in this situation, in the center of the reading, we got Prince of Cups for you. Second card is Queen of Cups. Prince of Discs. Moving on, in your current path, we got Worry, which is Five of Discs. Alternate path, we got the Magus, Major Arcana, also known as the Magician. We got Signs, Major Arcana in the psychological basis. In the karma, we got Gain, Nine of Discs. Happiness, Nine of Cups. The Universe, Major Arcana. Ace of Cups. Ten of Cups, Satiety. The Hermit, Major Arcana. Victory, Six of Wands. Ace of Wands. Alright Libra, let's get into your reading right now. But before I start, I want to address that, we had solar eclipse, right? So all around the world, especially India and America, will be facing a lot of changes. There'll be personal changes happening for individual people, and depending on the person also, the changes will happen. Okay, so but for you, I feel like you're trying to utilize this period very effectively, and also making sure that you can utilize it very effectively. I feel like you have already learned how to manage and how to swift. We got swiftness card in the karma. So your karma is to learn how to change things up, Even though if there is negativity, you know how to transform it and make it positive. And that will actually, over time, you will improve also. I feel like you have not learned everything, but you're almost there, and there is still a lot more to learn, and there is always will be. But the only thing that I want to tell you is that you know a lot, and still more is coming, and it has to come for you, and it is meant to be. In the karma, we can see that. Also, a lot of beautiful cards. Actually, many people wish to have these cards come out in the reading. We got excellent cards. I was astonished by seeing the cards come out in that way, and even the Five of Discs, is changed to Happiness, and Hermit is like very magical. In the current path, you're utilizing the situation and the planetary positions very effectively, and you're doing on this on your own, is what I feel. It's not that universe is supporting you and guiding you every single time. I feel like you're learning by yourself, and you're trying to be your own master, be your own teacher when it comes to few things. Even though when sad situations come up, or worry comes up, you try to change that worry into happiness in the current path. So when these kinds of energy comes in the current path, even when you succeed, you're trying to learn even more with the Hermit. So it's a beautiful reading. We can start with the situation. We got Prince of Cups in the center. So you can see the watery energy over here. You have to drink a lot of water, and you have to drink more than you even think. I feel like at the end of maybe when this June 15th or 20th of June comes up, you try to drink more water, but I feel like you have to drink even more than you realize. Okay, with the Prince of Cups, only then you can actually be active and do things, because I feel like whatever is happening right now in the month of June, it's independent. Okay, you have to do it independently. No one will actually help you this month much, is what I feel. Even though we got two other code cards which represents a particular person in your life, but I feel like Prince of Cups in the center of the reading represents that you are the one who creates your life this month in the whole. It's your responsibility, it's your duty. Depending on how you move and how active you are, your life is gonna change this month. Okay, with the Queen of Cups, you're gonna learn how to behave with others, especially if you're into medical field. You even learn how to take care of people even more effectively. Okay, and if you're a doctor, this is well and good. This month you're gonna learn a lot of things. Also, many people will be attracted to you because you have this healing energy, and you can heal people with the right kind of communication with the Queen of Cups. And with the Prince of Discs, now if you're working into some kind of business which involves some kind of healing, not necessarily medical, but some kind of healing, like it could be a tarot reading which you can use, or which you're using as a medium to help others heal. Okay, either it be psychologically, emotionally, in their personal life. I feel like if you're in that field also, you will definitely be benefited, because you're going to learn a lot this month, the more advanced concepts, and in order to how you communicate also will improve. The way people see you also will be very clear. They will see you as the way who you are. Okay, not differently. But of course you can see the reflection. I saw the reflection. So the way people see you is this reflection, but this is who you are. So even in the reflection there'll be waves. There'll be waves that can hinder your structure of your appearance, but still the essence of who you are is reflected there, and people can see you clearly. I feel like the water is clear. Okay, even though there were waves in that during the reflection. So I feel like connecting with water and drinking more water, and also it is a good time this month to contemplate on yourself, to see yourself where you are and what you're doing and where you're going, and reflect on yourself. Okay, this month, because there's a lot of reflection coming along, and depending on how you reflect, that's how you have to move with the Prince of Swords. Okay, and even the Prince of Wands. But I can see you're moving forward emotionally. You're doing the things which you like, and with the Prince of Discs, it's all about money. So you're chasing, not necessarily chasing, but you are going towards your goal. Okay, is what I feel. I feel like you're very planned and you're going there. In the current path, this is your situation is like that. Of course there is a little bit of current path involved in the situation as well, but I feel like it is naturally happening. Okay, everything, even in the current path we can see worry. As I said, this is because of the solar eclipse thing which is happening, and it is affecting your 5th house, which is your creativity. So when this creativity happens, when it affects, sometimes even the malefic effects will give you good results depending on other aspects. Okay, and that is what is happening. You can see this other points as well, which is directing to other points. So it's all connected. This is looking at this and this is looking at that. Okay, so I feel like overall you are utilizing the best you can and even though there is little bit of worry and little bit of tiredness also with the Five of Wands, also people might argue with you sometimes, but I feel like overall it doesn't matter, you are happy. I feel like you know how to connect the dots and you know it very well. You also see things that other people won't see, okay, because I feel like there is an orange color in the background. Usually people won't notice, they only notice the cups because it's happiness, right? But in the background there are things that connects, and these are called threads. And I exactly kept a crystal down below, it's called carnelian. So connecting with carnelian also is very good, because you also got 10 of satiety in the karma. I'll get into that later, but why I'm showing is that 9 is becoming 10, okay, and it's because of the carnelian energy. You can see the red color over here is the same representation in the background as well. So I feel like that is how it is connected. And with the Hermit, also eating carrots is good, okay, because it's that orange element over there. And with the Hermit, this is major arcana. So as I said before, before the reading, when sad situations or worry comes up, you transform it and you become happy, and you do it naturally because you have that knowledge, you know how to connect the dots, and you're not stopping there, you're trying to learn even more, okay. And with the Hermit, and I feel like this Hermit has come, this is not natural. The natural process is happiness. After happiness, whatever Hermit comes, this is not natural. I feel like you are remembering and recalling the things that someone has told you, especially someone above you, someone who is more mature than you, who is a master, who is your guide, who is a mentor maybe. So you're recalling what they told and you're taking those advices, and then the major arcana came, Hermit. And this is really beautiful because now you're trying to learn by yourself, okay. And whatever small advice someone has told you, you try to recall that small advice, and it's gonna bring you to that alignment of again working by yourself, and that is really beautiful. In the alternate path, what you can alternately do, that the universe is suggesting, is Victory, the Universe, and Magus. So yeah, universe is telling the blockages, whatever comes, it is because you have to go through that, you have to learn. Whenever, in case, this implies for different people. So if in case there is a blockage, okay, remember that it is for your victory, it is for you to learn how to overcome blockages early, and the process of learning also improves and you become stronger. So whenever again these situations come up, your mind recalls and says, you have been through this before, you can do this, you know how to do this. So that's how victory comes. Victory comes through that movement of Leo, which you can see over here, and Mercury also, which is intelligence, intellect. And with the Universe card, you have to learn everything, and I feel like these blockages are helping you to learn everything in the world. That is the Universe card. These small blockages, I feel like, are not arbitrary or random. It is meant to be in a particular position so that you can learn how to overcome this. And because of those blockages which you have faced in the past, you can learn a lot. And I feel like that is how you have to take it in your mind, and that's the alternate path. This is what is happening, that's the universe is saying, and that is how you have to keep it in your mind. Whatever blockages comes, it is for you to learn every aspect of your life. And with the Maker's card, again, I said it in the Victory card itself, it's for your victory, and also how to balance. You can see with the Maker's card, it's a lot about balance, and I feel like nowadays people are understanding more about this card, Maker's, and people are representing it as balance more than just saying you can manifest whatever you want, which is this card also. But mainly nowadays people are getting into that in a meaning of the keyword balance a lot, okay. And it is for how to balance, and it is also the muscle memory also, you can see with that card. So with that muscle memory, you can do it subconsciously. Okay, whatever hurdles come up, you can overcome. Now with the psychological basis, we got Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups and Signs, and this is what makes it all beautiful. Okay, with the Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups and Signs, most of the reading, all the cards are really good. Okay, but I feel like because of the psychological basis, because of your subconscious mind, how it is flowing, and the overall environment around you, and because of this, the whole reading is really beautiful. And with the Ace of Wands, I feel like something new is going to start in your life, because it's a wands and that spark of energy is there. You're going to start something new that you're passionate about, and you're doing it quickly. You're not wasting any time. That spark is there and you're doing it. And with the Ace of Cups, it is really hard to explain how it just happens naturally. I feel like you just start doing and you start to notice how capable you are and how gifted you are. This with the Ace of Cups especially, you start to realize how gifted you are. And signs, while doing, you're gonna learn. And even after doing, the motivation of you wanting to learn will also be there, and that is what is happening in the background. And because there is a lot of one over here, even with the Magus card, Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, lot of one, and lot of court cards, and lot of major arcanas, I feel you will be connecting with people naturally. I feel like you will be connecting. Either you reach out or other people reach out. You will be connecting with certain kind of people, and these people are there to actually guide you in a way. And they have guided you in the past, and you're connecting back again. May not be again, it could be for different reasons right now, but in the past they have guided you and you're connecting with them again. With the karma, you can see you got gain, satiety and swiftness. Now again, here also 9 has come, and there in the current path we got happiness. So your happiness is bringing money. Okay, the more you become happy, the more you're gonna gain. The more you're gonna gain, the more you become happy. So it's intertwined, okay, for you. So I feel like you are aligned, okay, and most people are not happy, okay, and are not in alignment, but you are in the perfect alignment, okay. Your happiness is bringing money, and the money is bringing happiness. And with the satiety, long-term success. With the satiety card, long-term happiness is coming. You're gonna be very happy in the long term. Even after June, I feel like you'll be happy. And I feel like the end of you are already preparing for the end of the year, with the satiety card. And this is long term. I'm seeing long-term gain, and it's gonna improve. Okay, the financial status will also improve, and by the end of the day, you will be increased. Your income will be increased. Okay, and with the swiftness card, of course, you're gonna learn how to network with people, how to talk to people, and that is your karma basically this month. How to communicate and also share how much you have, how you are happy, how you are enjoying your life, and everything. How you gain money also for few people. And I feel like definitely you might be connecting with Cancerians more, with the Cups energy a lot. Queen of Cups, Prince of Cups, Ace of Cups, and also a little bit of fire energy, fire signs also running in the background, especially, which you won't notice, but also fire signs Aries, Leo and Sagittarius are trying to help you in the background, but you're not noticing that much. But these are very important for you in connecting the dots. And mostly Cancerians, I would say, those are the number one this month that you have to look out for, and you have to be thankful for these people. And them, actually you will be connecting with them, who they are, and they are meant to be in your life. Also, if you are into medical field or healing, it's very good, because your recognition is seen here right now, and people are easily connected with you. They trust you very much at this moment of time, and they are seeing clearly who you are. Okay, and yeah, I feel like you have to do things creatively also, whatever you do, and that's the good advice. Whenever you feel stuck in this situation, I'm saying, then try to be more creative and look at situation, and then you will be guided. You'll understand where to go. And that's how I have for you, Libra. Check out your water sign, or you could say Cancer sign, okay, and even moon sign, okay. So if you have planets in the sign of Cancer, you can look into that. If you have yeah, and check out your moon sign, whatever zodiac sign is there, your moon placement. For your moon placement, you can check on that also. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you want to if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to get notified. And also, if you like to access your own energies and get a tarot reading or personal readings from me, you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, personal tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. And all my social media links are there in the description, along with my contact number. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.